Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're back with another video. My name is Phaheem if you are new to my YouTube channel, and today we are at Tigoni waterfall, which is located at Kiambu County, Limuru town to be specific, which is about 45 minutes drive from the main capital CBD of Nairobi County. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. So guys, it seems we have reached the end of my video. Not the longest of my videos, I must suggest. I'm in Tigoni waterfall, and the best thing about Tigoni waterfall is because I love it because it's a very photogenic area. Nice place to take selfies for your Instagram posts. And in the next video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.